Well, what's up YouTube, QUBIQ-WOLF is here. The last step when solving the Twisty Skewb is to rotate the centerpieces by 180 degrees. In this short video I will show you how to do this by using combinations of the sledgehammer. You should know the sledgehammer: right inverted, left, right, left inverted. If you only have to turn one center correctly and all others are already oriented correctly, you do the sledgehammer 4 times. Put the center in the back, use the sledgehammer, rotate 180 degrees, use the sledgehammer twice, turn 180 degrees again, and use one last sledgehammer and it's done. So sledgehammer, rotation 180 degrees, sledgehammer twice, and 180 back, and a sledgehammer, and it's done. This is the easiest way to rotate one single centerpiece 180 degrees. You see, it's done right now. If you have to flip 3 centerpieces 180 degrees each, then you can use the sledgehammer 6 times. Take the centerpiece in the middle, that means left and right are also centerpieces who have to be flipped, and use the sledgehammer 6 times. I do it with my left hand, but it doesn't matter if you do the sledgehammer or a head slammer. After doing it 6 times, you have solved your Twisty Skewb. If you need to flip 2 or 4 pieces, you combine these 2 algorithms and then you can solve this Twisty Skewb very easy. A link to the complete solve tutorial in German language is in the description below. If you want to see it in English language, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll translate it. Have fun skewing!